ಇದ್ಯಾರ ಮನೆ ಅಷ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು?
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರ ಮನೆ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು?
ಇದೇ ಮನೆ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು.
ಈ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು?
ಈ ಮನೆ ಹೊಡೆಯಬೇಕಿತ್ತು.
ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು?
ಅದೇ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು.
ಅವ್ರ ಗುರ್ತಿದೆಯೇನು?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅವ್ರ ಪರಿಚಯ? ಹಾ.
This is yet another wonderful opportunity for us to witness the performance of some very talented artists in the field of theatre, visual talent artists in the field of music, culinary arts, craft, photography and dance. That is very good reason to be excited to hear to this creativity event. The Goa is popular tourist destination. The beautiful landscape and beaches attracts the tourists from the different part of the world. The warm hospitality of the people of Goa is well appreciated wherever we go. And we love our food, football, fun and festival. The Goa is culturally gifted and our dance, music, theatre, songs provides a great entertainment and audience and helps to display and tradition to the world.